CDECK is a low-maintenance product, but like any outdoor flooring, it requires some care to preserve its appearance and durability over the years. Let's take a look at how to carry out regular maintenance of your CDECK and how to remove more persistent stains, such as food residues, grease, or limescale deposits. For regular maintenance of our CDECK, we will need water, a mild detergent, and a soft brush. A pressure washer should be used, with a maximum pressure of 150 bar, with a wide spray pattern at a distance of approximately 30 centimeters, and always wash in the direction of the board length. Now let's see how to remove more stubborn stains. If the stains are caused by food, drinks, or grease, clean the affected area of your deck using a non-abrasive degreasing product. In the case of CDECK Original, if the stains persist, you can gently scrub the boards with a steel brush or manual sandpaper, always in the direction of the board's length. This may cause a slight color variation, but over time, the tone will even out. If whitish stains appear, possibly due to limescale deposits, which are more common in areas with mineral-rich water, clean the boards using a descaling product. Before applying any product, it is always recommended to test it first in a discrete area of the deck. For more information, recommendations, or technical details, always consult the CDECK technical datasheet or contact IHT.